Scott Brown here. Today's exciting episode, we're going to make this easier by building a staircase here. The guy under the bridge there is wakeboarding. It's like 8 degrees Celsius, he's wakeboarding off the back of a boat. The first step is to establish the height. Whew, okay, 1600. So you start with your ideal step height, which is about 180 mil. Divide your height by that, 8.8, but obviously you can't have 0.8 of a stair, so you go up to 9. 1600 divided by 9, and that's your step height, 177.7. The tread, the going. Let's work that out. So to help me mark the stairs out, I've chucked a bit of tape on here. This part here is 270, which is our tread, minus the nosing. And this part here is 177.7, which is the riser height that we worked out before. Then all I have to do is line up the tape points to form each tread. So now that I've marked out each tread all the way through the middle here, the bottom and the top is going to be slightly different. So there's your standard tread there, but then you get to the bottom here, and I've already marked it. And what I did was I marked 45 here, which is the thickness of our tread material, and you put your square at that point. So that's the part you're going to stand on there. You measure your 177.7, and that's it there. So we're going to cut that like so. One, beautiful. Boom. That'll be your ground all through there. So the top tread doesn't matter as much in this case. I'm making the stringer so it's flush with the top of the framing of the deck. Because the decking boards are the same as the tread boards, the framing is the same. Go, so that needs to be lifted up, which corresponds with that. Now that is where it wants to be, and that, there we go. I can trace that one and make another 2 now. But first, this thing needs a foundation. So it was good to build that bench. Now we've got something portable that we can bring to site. I know what you're thinking. What did he do for the foundation of the stairs? Well, there it is there. 9 bags of concrete, all mixed and poured in there. I kind of turned the camera off when I did that the other day, and hey, it's done now. I'm hoping Pato will be here to help me tomorrow. He's feeling a bit sick, unfortunately. That's why I'm on my own. I just put in some rapid set concrete, so that post is supporting the middle of the stairs, just like this post is. So that timber's going on the stairs, and then we'll have a set of stairs, beautiful set of stairs. So hopefully that stringer layout thing helped you out if you haven't done stairs before. See you guys in the next exciting episode.